Thunder and lightning. What causes thunder and lightning? What's that? It's a thunderstorm. Can you hear the thunder and see the lightning? Thunderstorms happen a lot in spring and summer. Thunderstorms happen when there is a lot of warm air near the ground. As this air rises, it becomes cooler and turns into heavy, dark clouds, full of ice and raindrops. The rumbling sound of thunder is when the warm air meets the cooler air. When there is thunder, there is lightning. Lightning is an electric, hot spark. Lightning happens when lots of small bits of ice in a storm cloud bump into each other. There is a lot of electricity in the storm clouds. Lightning does not often hit the ground, but when it does, it can strike trees and buildings and cause fires. The wind. What makes the wind? Wind is made because the sun warms Earth's air. Warm air goes up. As warm air goes up, a rush of cold air moves in under it. This makes wind. Sun. Warm air rises. Wind. Land. Water. Cold air. Wind moves over land and sea. The wind that moves over the land is often warmer than the wind over the sea. This is why most of Earth's coldest winds come in from the sea. Remember, warm air goes up. That's what makes hot air balloons move upward. Earthquakes and volcanoes. What makes an earthquake? Earth is made up of rocks and liquid. The top part of Earth is made of huge plates of rock. Just under these plates is melting, oozing rock. The huge plates move slightly on top of the melting rocks. The collapsed Cypress Freeway in Oakland, California, after the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake. When the edges of plates push past each other, they shake and rumble. This is an earthquake. Huge rock plate. Huge rock plate. Melted rock. What makes a volcano erupt? We know about Earth's huge plates and melting rocks. But below them, there are rocks that have melted into very hot liquid. This liquid rock is called magma. Sometimes the magma bursts up through the earth in between the huge plates. This is a volcano erupting. Magma is the name of melted rock under the ground. Lava is the name for magma that is on top of the ground. Phew, it's hot here. Earth quiz. Well, that's the end of our tour of Earth. We'll come back another time. There is still so much to learn. Now, what did you learn about Earth? Try this quiz. 1. Why can't you drink most of Earth's water? 2. What is the force that stops you from floating off into space? 3. What sound can be heard when warm air meets cool air? 4. What is the name of liquid rock under the ground? Glossary. Atmosphere. the gases surrounding Earth. Contain, to have as a part of something. Force, a power, a strength. Liquid, a kind of fluid such as water. Oozing, slowly moving, squeezing through. Solar system, the sun and everything in space that travels around it. Survive, to remain alive.